Ever wondered if you could get a golden, sun-kissed tan without stepping outside or risking UV damage? That's exactly what Savanna Skin Tanning Gummies promise, a bronzed glow from within using just a daily gummy. They claim that the magic comes from beta-carotene and antioxidants, which supposedly work together to give you a golden tan while skipping sun exposure, self-tanners, or streaky lotions. On paper, it sounds convenient and harmless, and their website pushes bundle deals with automatic subscription refills every 28 days, making it easy to stock up. But when you dig deeper, the biology doesn't quite add up. A natural tan is the skin's response to UV light stimulating melanin production, and no amount of ingestible gummies can trigger that process. The most beta-carotene can do is give a slight yellowish tint to your skin, not the golden bronze glow the ads show. Looking at the product itself, it appears to be a standard antioxidant gummy, dressed up with tanning claims to catch attention. There are several red flags worth noting. The bold tan from within promise is misleading. Thousands of 5-star reviews appear only on the product's own site, and some customer images look staged or AI-generated. Marketing tactics like sold-out alerts, limited stock urgency, buy one get one bundle pressure, and automatic subscription billing are heavily used. And there are reports of people struggling to cancel recurring charges. Similar formulations exist under different brand names and manufacturer transparency is minimal. Essentially, the product seems designed more to create hype than to deliver the advertised tanning transformation. While it's harmless as a vitamin gummy, its claims are exaggerated, and the promised golden glow is unlikely to materialize in the way the marketing suggests. If you're looking for a safe, sunless solution for a true tan, this probably isn't the shortcut the ads make it seem.